How to use TorFX. Complete guide to using TorFX easily. Here's a complete step-by-step guide to using TorFX, whether you're sending money abroad for personal reasons or managing international payments for your business. Sign up. Register online for a personal or business account. Verify your identity with documents. Get a live rate. Use the platform or talk to an account manager to get real-time FX rates. Choose between spot or forward contracts. Add a recipient. Input recipient's name, bank, SWIFT, BIC, and account, IBAN. Book a transfer. Enter amount and confirm the deal. Pay TorFX via local bank transfer. Track your transfer. Monitor your transaction via the website or mobile app. Funds typically arrive in 1 to 2 business days. Manage payments. Set up recurring transfers, rate alerts, and track history. Thanks for watching.